this book, of this story. And so all of that was declarative and definitive, and it was just there. It's the exact same thing.
I don't know if I ever told you this story, but I'll tell it publicly. My youngest daughter, who just turned 10, and she's just an absolute genius. She's an artist. She must have been 6 years old. Yeah, this is 4 years ago. And we were talking about the book cover, and I showed her the mock-up, and she was just like, whoa, why is your name on it? Because it's all these other people in there. So why is your name on the cover? And then I got all like insecure, and I'm like, oh my God, if this 6-year-old is telling me this, the world's gonna kill me. And I called you. I don't know if you remember, and I was like, George, I don't know. I think it just needs to be the name of the book, my name on it, and you like pushed back and said,
yeah, and that was the only time. That was the only time I told him, no, you're wrong. And I did. I made the case for why his name needed to. It was a really defining conversation for me, because I understood that basically it was my idea to do that. It wasn't his. And so he needed time to get comfortable with what it was a bold declaration I was saying. I was like, your name is the marquee here. That's the whole point. And I'm gonna give you a little space to kind of wear that comfortably. But I was like, no, your name is staying that big. It's probably the only time that I was in the process to you that I was like, I love you and no.